This is a natural facial cleansing method. This method will tighten your skin, brighten your skin. It also can help deal with acne and be used to remove makeup. If you have very oily skin, then you want to start by putting baking soda on your face. Then you want to use a homemade cleanser that contains both oil and an essential oil, a citrus essential oil. They dry out the skin and treat redness. If you just have oily skin, you want to start with a cleanser. If you have very oily skin, I'd suggest starting with the baking soda. To make this cleanser, fill it up 1/3 of the way with pink Himalayan salt. Then add water until it looks 2/3 full. And then add oil, olive oil, or the oil of your choice until it's filled up almost all the way to the top. After that, you want to add 10 drops of a citrus essential oil and shake well. For dry skin types, this method will start by applying oil to your face. I'd recommend using a mild bar soap, but make sure it's low ingredient. Also, for all skin types, I'd recommend using a brush so that you're not touching your face while you clean it. For dry skin types, you're going to finish with vitamin E oil. It's an excellent moisturizer. You can use it in very tiny amounts because the oil spreads, and it's really good for your skin.